Luckily, it's roughly the right shape. Yeah, where did you get yellow from?
See, I'm not an electrician.
The MGB GT? Yeah, not my car, Glenn's car. I've been prototyping some stuff because Glenn has bought, as I say, one of these second-hand bits. And where to put it in the car, that was the tricky thing. So we came up with the idea of putting it actually on the glove box. So I've come up with 3 different, I've made out of this sign material stuff, 3 different sizes. The reason for this little dip is that we can still access the glove box button, the key thing. But I think now that I've actually made them, I think it's going to go something like that, and with the timer on the other side. It's really difficult trying to make something. I know I made that paper template, but it's really difficult to try and make something when you don't actually have the car with you. So Glenn's going to come around hopefully during the week, and then we're going to have a go at actually mounting all this stuff, because our event that we're going to be doing, which is like a Cotswolds navigation rally, that's coming up fairly soon as well. So yeah, fingers need to come out.
4 to 6 days later.
Was that a backfire?
Yeah. I've got some new jet fit.
Have you?
Came today, yeah. N955s.
Okay, how are you? You alright?
Good, Kev, thanks. Yes, good. Rather intelligent digital whip.
Okay. Luckily, it's roughly the right shape. So you go, what? Down the side? You're weakening it?
No, richening.
Richening
the jet. That's a 50.
Yeah.
And that's a 55.
Okay.
Which then allows you to have the mixture, idle jet mixture screw, further in.
Okay.
Which would be weaker, and in between the tolerance of the progression jet holes that are underneath the butterfly.
Mate, you've got more Weber knowledge than I have, I'll tell you that.
Wow. Put it in, and then during the day.
That's annoying. Look, I use these look. Maybe it's gone going too quick. Look, it's gone like almost like a hex. I'm gonna try that. Whoa! Lucky I've got my safety boots on. Just a quick advert, if you'd like to support our little team, then please consider becoming a YouTube member or a patron. It's only a couple of quid a month and you'll get the midweek update video bang up to date, and also extra footage, in-car stuff of all the stages and the rallies that we do. And that money really does help us to do the sport that we love to do. So to all of our supporters that help us, thank you very much. Let's crack on. That's better. The tick over?
Yeah, do you know which one it is?
No idea. Right. Right.
What have you found then?
Okay, so this panel obviously is going to go.
Sorry, I'm doing work.
Go there.
Part. Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah.
So that's the holes. Drain you off for drilling them holes.
Yeah.
And then, because I need to find a 12. Obviously, we're going to have to power these up. tonight.
Yeah.
So need to find a 12 volt power supply somewhere. Just come up with a fundamental flaw in my design. Yeah. So all those bolt holes there, they're to hold the instruments on. If I now bolt the instruments on from behind, how am I going to clamp that to tighten it? I'm not, am I?
Not with that back nut on it.
Rubber washers, yeah.
Tap washers, yeah.
Yeah, because that's all it was, wasn't it? That then nutting and bolting there.
And that would be rigid then, won't
Yeah,
it?
and then as you say, like a rubber spacer washer.
Yeah.
Because then that can go in there. Yeah, we'll come up with something, won't we? Right, you drill those holes.
Yeah.
I'll work this
They're
out.
definitely where you want it.
Yeah.
Massively magnetic, isn't it?
Is it? So we've got 3.
Oh, how are we going to reach through there now?
Yeah, no. So those are the marks, so you can.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Right, sorry.
So they're not centre punch. They're just literally marked with a
Marked.
drill bit that I push through. I'm gonna mount the things on this. Alfie! How are you, mate? You're alright? I'm alright. Here's me arse. Thanks, mate.
Got a new project on my...
Live like that. Alright, I still open the work compartment. You're on it. It's roaring it up.
Yeah. It's so cool.
It looks like a rally car. Yeah, where did you get yellow from?
On the back.
Yeah, got it. So,
Green / yellow to 12 volt.
Yeah, okay, so brown to 12 volt.
Yeah. Green
And yellow
/ yellow to 12
negative
volt.
12 volt.
Oh yeah, mine.
Yeah.
Ah, yes, look.
Yeah.
See, I'm not an electrician, am I?
The old plumber's eye.
No, I couldn't see it. Looking.
Oh, this is my tool of the week. Go on. So you've been using these, which you're happy with.
Don't mock.
Don't mock
Don't
them,
mock.
they
You'd
work.
be glad
You
of
were-
those
you were-
outside Halford in a crisis.
You were struggling. But look, check out my Mac tools. Tool of the week. There you go, look.
Oh,
you just
dear.
stick that in there. Like that.
That is rather sharp, isn't it? Don't worry, little Draper. You'll be all right.
But you can
We'll
get
put you back
these.
in the box.
You can get these from your Mac tool dealer.
supplier.
Go and see Lee Morey in his van.
So it's rather slippery, yeah. Long way down.
Go on then. So the drapers are coming out. You can do it.
You can do it, Draper.
Done it. There we go. Look. Woo!
You too could have one of these.
Yeah, it just shows you that you just need a variety of tools. There's no substitute for having all the tools. Well, it's dark, so it's taken a while.
Steve.
Not quite 7 hours.
Yeah, sorry, Steve. But we have been working.
But yeah, there we go. I'm quite pleased with that, and so
Light
hopefully,
off.
yeah,
Still
look,
got the glove box.
still got the glove box. You're right. We need to trim those down, don't we?
Yes.
But look at that. Yeah, but that definitely needs painting black, doesn't it?
Yes.
We'll leave that. That could be your job.
It does look quite work.
It does, but yeah. So yeah, that one's got an on and off switch, but that one at the moment doesn't. It's just so that'll hopefully turn off when you turn the ignition off. Go on, give that a go. Is that off? That can't be permanent live, can it? So we've managed to find a permanent live rather than ignition, which actually
Isn't a bad thing, actually.
isn't a bad thing, because you don't want when you stop for like a tea break or
Yes,
whatever, you don't
don't.
want all this to.
Ready?
Yeah, go on. There we go. That's all right.
Because I always turn that off, because that's permanent live. And
Oh, I
it flattens the battery,
see.
so
Okay.
whenever I'm not driving,
Got ya.
I turn it off.
Well, let's say that's not a bug. That's a feature.
That is done on purpose.